going from slurry to prop here. And I have to admit that this one is uncomfortable. And I say that with respect because this is about an operator. So at this facility, we noticed cell count trending down plant-wide. Leadership of this plant couldn't tell if it was biological, equipment, or people. So when we dug in, we processed around 160 batches in this process, close to like 5,000 measurements. This is what jumped out, right? Batches with identical ethanol yield at around firm hour 25 was 7.9%, but the cell count varied 3.6 times. That's biologically impossible. And 23.5% of those batches showed cell count decreasing during the active growth phase. And we all know yeast doesn't do that, people do that. 60 to 70% of the measurement variance was operator technique, not equipment, not biology. And one operator was significantly above peers on variability across every stage, but nobody could prove it. It was just a gut feeling, but now it was data. So here's the results for that, right? And this fixed cost $0 in equipment. When we dug in with our deep dive on this particular case study, we found different ways operators were pulling wrong samples, and each one traceable to a specific cause. Like, for example, one of them being an operator had an actual vision issue affecting the microscope, and other one was new, really green at the job, and still dialing in dilution technique. So instead of chasing ghost, now a live dashboard at this facility tracks measurement consistency by operator. And the lab managers who were getting bombarded with like false alarms finally got quiet screens, and the ones who needed coaching got the right coaching. So this is again same kind of trend as you saw from the slurry to the prop, that the variability, every variability can be explained if caught early. And instead of chasing ghost, where we took a bad sample and we are trying to solve for something downstream that doesn't even exist, and it's just a measurement error. So finding these type of issues by looking at process holistically is the advantage we were talking about earlier.